Hello kids, today we'll be doing a rainbow tree with earbuds, painting with earbuds. So you would require any flat brush for the background, any round brush for the bark of the tree, and we'll be painting the tree with the earbuds, few earbuds. Okay. The colors that you would need is one color for the background. You can choose any color. I'm choosing teal blue. Then for the rainbow color tree, we'll have blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. These colors. Okay. So let's start with painting the background. It's just the regular method of right to left. So just quickly paint the entire sheet with the background. Anything sheet or your canvas. So yeah, we are done with this. After we are done with painting the background, we'll wait for it to completely dry and then start with the next step. So the background is almost dried now. We'll start with drawing the main bar. So we'll just draw a line from the center, just a little at a little distance from the center, like this. Similarly, a parallel line. Okay. Now we'll just branch out for the branches. One will go on to the left for the red color. Then again one for the orange, yellow, green, and blue. So we have for all the 5 colors now. We'll do the detailing later. So we'll take 3 buds together like this and start painting it. We'll dip in red and paint it in this way. Some like out like this and then continue along with the line. Some you can go here also a little so that it looks like it is more branched. So when after you're done with red, we'll go with the next shade, that is orange, and take the new set of earbuds. Together and dip in orange now and repeat the same procedure. One can go in this in between and other along with the line. Where there's excess, you can just dab it again on that so that it is removed from that place and then distributed to the places where it is not there. Okay, so we are done with the orange shade now. Now we'll go with the next shade, that's yellow. So first as is a light shade, we'll start from the top and then blend it so that it doesn't mix with orange. And then one branch out here also. Have some inside and on some on orange too. So Okay, now we're done with the yellow. So we'll just give one more branch this side as this is in the center before going to the other branch. So yeah, then we'll go with the other color after this, that is the green shade. You can again use the same red earbuds or new earbuds because it would be dried by now. So yeah, I'm using the same red earbuds, and then repeat the same procedure. And one more branch here. Okay, so we are done with the green. Similarly, we will repeat this with blue. So I'll just go here up one with a small strand or branch, and then follow up with the one we have drawn as I told for the red, and then some branches will branch it down. Okay, you can also have few light dots after removing the excess paints as if they are falling down like this. And for the red too, you can also mix some other shades like orange somewhere in between, and on the other side green a little. Just to give the feel of the falling leaf. So yeah, we are done. We'll just give the initial branching look at the center, not much. Yeah, like this to every color. I repeat, not the depth, just the initial branches. So yeah, and for the red. So this is the complete look of the painting. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll just remove the masking tape and show you the final look. So this is the final look of the painting. I hope you enjoyed this painting session today. We'll see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye.